extremely lightweight and slim body. Provides a stable connection and increases the productivity of your device by expanding the female USB-C port to multiple possibilities of connectivity. Weighing around 40 pence and smaller body than phone, Moosu USB-C hub would be an ideal for everyday carrying, commuting and traveling. Moosu aims to provide customers with the best products. We have our own design team and factory, using the finest quality materials to provide customers with quality products. Moosu Type-C hub includes one USB-C PD charging port, 4K USB-C to HDMI port, Ethernet port, VGA output port, audio jack, SD/TF card reader, and 2 USB 3.0 ports. A lightweight design made of aluminum alloy, compact but essential to your working efficiency. Ethernet port automatically adapts to 10.100.10.000 megabit per second wired network, that's faster speeds than Wi-Fi. Support PD charging at max 60W charging power. Ensure that you can surf the web and charge the laptop at the same time. An ideal USB hub for Type-C laptops or mobile devices such as MacBook, iMac, Surface, Samsung, Lenovo, Chromebook, etc. HDMI and VGA ports allow you to mirror the high-resolution pictures up to 4K at 30Hz and 1080p at 60Hz. Note: HDMI and VGA outputs can be used simultaneously. 3.5mm audio output have to work with VGA, can't be used alone. 2 USB 3.0 ports transfer data at super speeds up to 5 Gbps. It supports SD/TF up to 128 GB and SD 3.0, easily access files from Universal SD and microSD memory card. You can connect it to your smartphone, tablet, hard drive or other USB peripheral.